launched my first business, I had no idea how overwhelming the legal side of things could be. Between figuring out whether I needed an LLC or a corporation, worrying about state requirements, and trying to draft paperwork without making a costly mistake, I felt like I was spending more time Googling legal terms than actually working on my idea. That's when I realized I needed a service that could cut through the noise and handle the messy parts for me. That's exactly what Bizee does. Bizee is built for entrepreneurs who want to focus on their business, not endless forms. It's a platform that helps you set up an LLC, corporation, or even a nonprofit with ease. What stands out is how approachable it makes the process. You don't have to be a lawyer or accountant to get started. With step-by-step guidance, Bizee takes you from idea to fully formed entity, complete with the documents you need to legally operate. Here's the scenario. Imagine you're finally ready to turn your side hustle into something official. You've got your name, your product, and even a few paying customers. But when it comes to registering your business, the process stops you in your tracks. Instead of spending weeks navigating government websites, you can use Bizee to file your business structure, get an employer identifier number, and even receive registered agent services to stay compliant. That means you can start focusing on growth rather than getting buried in paperwork. The pros are easy to see. Bizee is fast, affordable, and beginner-friendly. They even offer lifetime company alerts, which means you'll always know when it's time to file important documents. On top of that, their pricing is transparent so you don't get blindsided by hidden fees. The cons? While Bizee is perfect for small business owners and startups, larger companies with complex tax structures may eventually need additional professional guidance, but for most new entrepreneurs, Bizee is a game changer. It takes one of the most intimidating parts of starting a business and makes it simple, affordable, and stress-free. So if you've been putting off making your business official because the process feels complicated, Bizee might be exactly what you need. It's not just about forming a company, it's about giving you the confidence to move forward knowing the foundation of your business is built the right way.